Hey guys, Lockpick Electrician here, and today I'm going to show you guys how I build my picks, my homemade picks. First thing I get is a piece of bandsaw material, spring steel. We'll get my calipers real quick. Alright, I'm back. Bust these bad boys out real quick. Let's see. So, zero it. Get this thing set up right here. Zero. Okay, so let's see how thick this material is. A bandsaw blade material. It is about 20 thousandths. I don't know if you guys can see that at all. 20 thousandths of an inch thick. 25 thousandths. It's 25 thousandths of an inch thick is what it really is. I kind of messed it up. So this is perfect for homemade pick making. So what I do is I rest the thing on my finger, on my hand, and I extend my finger out. And where the end of the steel meets the back of my finger, that's where I break the steel. I take my pliers, and I kind of just get a spot right there like that, and I squeeze, and I just bend against my pliers, and it makes it come off really easy. The next step I do is I come to the grinder. Actually, I think I want to get me some, I got some more right here. Cool the metal off as I'm going, because it gets really hot. And fill this cup up with water. Okay. Keep that there. I don't know if you guys, is it in frame? Cup in frame, I can't tell. No, it's not, but you guys get the idea. The cup's down there, and as I grind it away, I'll dip it in there every once in a while to keep the steel cool. Now, it does have a bunch of these teeth on here. So I need to grind those away. That's the first thing you got to do. So we'll work the steel on there. Kind of just work it back and forth to get the teeth off of there. Work it back and forth, get some teeth on. Back and forth, make the teeth go away. Okay, so now you can just make them out, but we're going to take it down even further. So I'm going to flip the metal over and go back at it again. The grinder kind of pushes the steel back and forth as you work it, so one side or the other. So now it's getting hot. We'll dip it in the water, cool it off. So now there's no more teeth. See, the teeth are gone. So I'm going to push it through the brush, get all the burrs off of it. Okay, now, what I usually do here is I'll let the metal make the pick for me. I mean, I'll guide it, but whatever shape comes out is the shape I go with. So I make my shoulders. Both sides there, get the shoulders kind of where the handle meets the pick. And I kind of just work the metal back and forth to notch the width down, because you know it's about ½ inch, 3/4 of an inch. Get the shoulders made some more, a little deeper. Another shoulder over here, get it deeper. Kind of get the idea of where the shaft of the pick is going to come out. Kind of just work it back and forth. Dip in the water, cool it off. Kind of keep shaking it. You can't rush it because you'll burn the steel, you'll weaken the steel, and you'll take too much material off, and then you ain't got nothing. No strength. durability. Trying to get the cool it off. Working it. Keep cooling it off as you go. Basic shape of the outline, get everything smooth, and keep working that steel back and forth. Cool it off. Work it back and forth. Now we can start seeing a profile of the pick coming out. How we're gonna make it. I think I'm gonna make this a deep hook because I need one. My deep hook is somewhere underneath my porch. I have to get under there and find it, but and my shallow hook, I'll make one of those next. But right now I'm just gonna concentrate on a deep hook. Keep getting that shaft of the pick down. Oh shoot, except for when that happens. Hate that. When I feel like I got the width of the pick, I might go take it down just a little bit farther than that. Not too much more. Maybe another, I don't know, 1/16 of an inch or so. Keep it going. Alright, now I'm happy with the width of that. I'm very happy with the width of that. So now I'm going to start working on that tip. This is hard because you got to be able to control it and not mess it up. And man, this grinder wheel I just got is a brand new grinder wheel, so it's very aggressive. So I have to take my time with it and kind of pick my angles on it. You can hear the way it wants to eat that metal up. Go slow with it. Get it rounded off. Oh man, it's jumping all over the damn place. Keep it going. Cool it up. So now we're starting to get the shape. Now all I have to do is knock that height down to where what I like. So I'm going to put it on there like that. Get it. Take some of the tip off of it. Might need to smooth it out a little bit more. Starting to get there now. Keep working it back and forth on that stone. Take the height down of the tip without really messing the metal up too much. Trying to at least. Like that. Get down there, take some more height off the tip. shaft needs to be taken down a little bit more. Hey, there we go. There is a tip profile. Now, I like to work on the ends here because they're pretty sharp. So I'll take it and I'll just round it off. I'm going to do the same thing as just kind of pass it along there. Get all the sharp edges off. Kind of give it a rounded end. Now, I have big hands. So, ow, it's hot. Cool that off. So, I got big hands. So this pick fits my fingers perfectly. And there kind of is the finishing rough cut of it. So now, I'm going to take it, and I'm going to take the side with the brush on it, steel brush, and kind of just pass it through the steel brush. Kind of clean it up a little bit. Give it kind of a polished look. Now, this is the scary part. You stick the pick part into the wire brush without bending it and just kind of get the rough edges off of it. And then we'll take sandpaper, smooth the edges out really good. So it'll slide in and out the lock really nice. Because without sliding in and out the lock real nice, it's kind of pointless to even have it. And there you go. One homemade pick. And that's how I do it, lock picking gal. Now you know. Well, that's it for now, guys. Until next time.